Ethereum is a highest-level mineable coin, with the ticker ETH, that has a current worth of $1,764.66 and a market capitalization of $213,604,964 Digital currencies have long passed the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers. These days, it's a resource class that is considerably managed and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate. Some huge speculation banks even obtain Ethereum and other digital currencies altogether to safeguard their resources under administration, against the jogging expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the mark of $10,299,073,356. Yesterday, on June 3, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $16,573,496,504. A week prior, on May 28, how much ETH that was traded between market members was assessed at $25,477,060.032. Ethereum cost quickly returned in the intraday exchanging meeting as BTC recuperated above $30k after recovering the $1,800 support level since July. The ETH coin again flooded above $2,000. The Ethereum coin cost with the Bitcoin pair is exchanging at 0.06901 satoshis, up somewhat more than 1.6%. Ethereum recuperated over the $2,100 mark subsequent to retesting the $1,700 mark in the intraday exchanging meeting, which was a significant interest zone for the beyond 52 weeks. This flood could give ETH financial backers any desire for keeping the crypto in their portfolio. On longer time periods, for example, week by week, ETH is lapsing starting from the start of April, as the cost saw a pullback from the $3,550 mark. Up until this point, the coin has lost practically half. In this way, Ethereum is exchanging at $2,100 at the hour of compassing, with an addition of 8% in the intraday exchanging meeting. The market cap has stayed beneath $300 billion throughout the previous 4 days. In the meantime, the market capitalization stays at $255 billion, up 14% throughout the course of recent hours, as per the CMC. Besides, the Ethereum coin cost with the Bitcoin pair is exchanging at 0.06901 satoshis, up somewhat more than 1.6%. The $2,500 imprint might go about as a bullish boundary during the return quickly, and then again, the $1,800 mark was a significant help level for financial backers. Nonetheless, conventional volume began to decline and saw a 26% drop as of now with $37 billion in participation. What is Ethereum, ETH? Ethereum is a decentralized open-source blockchain framework that highlights its own cryptographic money, Ether. ETH fills in as a stage for various other digital currencies, as well concerning the execution of decentralized brilliant agreements. Ethereum was first portrayed in a 2013 white paper by Vitalik Buterin. Buterin, alongside other Prime supporters, got subsidizing for the venture in a web-based public group deal in the late spring of 2014. The undertaking group figured out how to bring $18.3 million up in Bitcoin, and Ethereum's cost in the initial coin offering, ICO, was $0.311, with more than 60 million Ether sold. Taking Ethereum's cost now, this puts the profit from speculation, ROI, at an annualized pace of more than 270%, basically nearly quadrupling your venture consistently since the mid-year of 2014. The Ethereum Foundation authoritatively sent off the blockchain on July 30, 2015, under the model codenamed Wilderness. Since then, there has been a few organization refreshes: Constantinople on February 28, 2019, Istanbul on December 8, 2019, Muir Glacier on January 2, 2020, Berlin on April 14, 2021, and most as of late on August 5, 2021, the London hard fork. Ethereum's own implied objective is to turn into a worldwide stage for decentralized applications, permitting clients from everywhere the world to compose and run programming that is impervious to control, free time and misrepresentation. As far as the day-to-day cost diagram, the crucial dramatic moving midpoints, counting 20, 50, 100 and 200, are well over the ongoing cost of ETH. On June 3, the cost of Ethereum was at $1,838.76 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 0.14%. A week prior, on May 28, ETH was esteemed at $1,724.92, and that intends that from that point forward, the cost has varied by 0%. A month prior, on May 4, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $2,940.64. Thusly, the coin has made a 39.99% move to arrive at its current standings. The examination of market capitalization conveys equivalent significance in both digital money and conventional business sectors. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology is utilized to decide the general position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks, for example. Changes in market capitalization, positive or negative, are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market may head, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes, in both short and long-haul points of view. This specific measurement is likewise used to check the predominance of Ethereum, according to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation. To decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of ETH, we duplicate the flowing inventory. Ethereum has a sum of 8 fellow benefactors, a bizarrely huge number for a crypto project. They initially met on June 7, 2014, in Zug, Switzerland. Russian-Canadian Vitalik Buterin is maybe the most popular of the bundle. He created the first white paper that previously depicted Ethereum in 2013, despite everything deals with working on the stage right up till now. Before ETH, Buterin helped to establish Encompassed for the Bitcoin magazine news site. British developer Gavin Wood is seemingly the second most significant fellow benefactor of ETH, as he coded the principal specialized execution of Ethereum in the C++ programming language, proposed Ethereum's local programming language Solidity, and was the primary boss innovation official of the Ethereum Foundation. Before Ethereum, Wood was an examination researcher at Microsoft. A short time later, he continued on to lay out the WEB3 Foundation. Among the other fellow benefactors of Ethereum are Anthony Di Iorio, who guaranteed the venture during its beginning phase of advancement; Charles Hoskinson, who played the main job in laying out the Swiss-based Ethereum Foundation and its lawful structure; Mihai Alisi, who gave help with laying out the Ethereum Foundation; Joseph Lubin, a Canadian business visionary who, as Di Iorio, has helped store Ethereum during its initial days and later established a hatchery for new companies in light of ETH called Consensus; Amir Chetrit, who helped establish Ethereum, however moved back from it right on time into the turn of events. The boundary that will be made sense of later by the current worth of the digital money under audit. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum remains at $213,604,960,400, which shapes the reason for present positioning was referenced before. Yesterday, on June 3, ETH had a market capitalization of $222,539,459,252. Last week, on May 28, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $208,627.07 A month prior, on May 4, the market worth of Ethereum was evaluated to be $354,781,969,604. ETH again recovered above $2,000 mark. The day-to-day RSI marker has crossed the profoundly oversold zone. Over 35 imprint purchasers can move toward higher zone. Moreover, the ADX is rising bullish, which proposes a vertical force plan to the dealers. Lastly, the flowing stock is utilized to compute the market capitalization and survey the coin's ongoing remaining in the positions. It signifies the general measure of ETH that is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that have a flowing stock between 60 million and 150 million are the most reasonable for long-haul speculation, since they are probably going to see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this point, Ethereum has a flowing stockpile of 121,046,127 coins. This is certainly not a horrible drop